Do you want to know to drop a pin on Google Map? Then you are in the right place. Here is how to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Drop a pin on Google Map on a smartphone. Open the Google Maps app. You can either search for a specific address using the search bar or scroll the map to the desired location. If you are using the search bar, tapping on a search suggestion will automatically drop a pin at that location. Alternatively, press and hold on the map at the spot where you want to drop the pin. A red pin will appear after a moment. Tap the pin to access options such as getting directions, saving the location, or sharing it with others. To remove the pin, either pinch out on the map or tap the X that appears on the pin's information box. Drop a pin on Google Map on desktop. Navigate to the Google Maps website in your browser. Use the search bar to find an address or manually explore the map. If you search for a location, a pin will drop automatically. After dropping the pin, an information box will appear. You can click on it to get directions, save the location, or share it. Click the Save button in the information box to add the pin to your favorites or create a new list. Click the X in the search bar or click elsewhere on the map to remove the pin. And there you have it, the way to drop a pin on Google Map. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.